Children, in this video, you are going to learn about the nature of roots of quadratic equation. What is the meaning of nature of root? That means without finding the roots of quadratic equation, we are able to tell what kind of answer are we going to get. Nature of roots means what kind of answer are we going to get, because roots means answer of the quadratic equation. Now children, how can we decide what is the nature of the roots? What type of answer are we going to find? This is by finding D, that is discriminant. You may call it discriminant or you may simply call it b square minus 4ac. Same thing, b square minus 4ac or discriminant. Children, if your discriminant is greater than 0, if it is more than 0, that means it is a positive number. Then the roots, the answer is going to be real numbers, because it's a quadratic equation, you know, there are going to be two answers. So real numbers you are going to get as answer, and distinct roots will be there. What is the meaning of distinct? Distinct means different. Both the answers will be different. You will be getting two answers. Okay? If D is greater than 0, more than 0, that is positive number. But if your D, discriminant, or you may say b square minus 4ac, is equal to 0, you have found D and you are getting it equal to 0, that would mean that your roots are real, they are real and they are equal. You must have noticed in some questions of exercise 4.3 that both the answers were same. You may check there, when the answers are same, there your D is equal to 0. So when D is 0, roots means the answer, the value of the variable, you get a real number and equal. Both the answers are same. But if D is less than 0, less than 0 means a negative number, then that would mean no real roots exist. This you noticed in fourth part of question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Fourth part. Okay, there you had noticed that you got minus 31 as D, and you said we cannot find the square root of minus 31, so we are not able to find the answer. We cannot find the answer. So if D is less than 0, that would mean no real roots. So this is the nature of root. When the question comes, what is the nature of root? That would mean that you have to find D there. Now children, I am going to explain the first part of question number 1 of exercise 4.4 to you. The question is, find nature of roots of following quadratic equation. This is the first part, find nature of roots of following quadratic equation. And then they are saying if real roots exist, if there are real roots. Remember, real roots means D may be greater than 0 or D may be equal to 0. In both the cases, the roots are real. So if real roots exist, then find them. If there are no real roots, there is no need to find the roots. So this is the question. Here I have found D. D means b square minus 4ac. And after solving it, I got minus 31. And since minus 31 is less than 0, it is a negative number. So I have written D is less than 0. That means no real roots exist.